I am going to be doing a DIY Mean Girls inspired school supplies. So I'm going to be showing you how I made a Mean Girls inspired notebook, pencil case, and binder. So if you're interested in watching that, keep watching.
So for the Mean Girls folder, I printed out a bunch of pictures from the Mean Girls movie and some Mean Girls word art, and I arranged it into a collage on the folder and I glued it down to the folder. So for the Mean Girls binder, I found a randomizer font website that kind of looked like the font that is on the burn book in Mean Girls. And so I typed out "On Wednesdays we wear pink" and I printed it out and I glued it onto the binder, and then I glued glitter on top. So for the pencil case, I printed out the corners of the burn book cover for Mean Girls and I glued it on to the pencil box, and then I glued glitter and gems on top of it, and it was done.
Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers. So please, 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 please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say. So goodbye. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, wait, that was kind of bad. So for today's, I'm so, hey guys, doing a DIY inspired Mean Girls. Wait, that's kind of messed up. Okay.